we're at the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center in beautiful Boca Raton, Florida for their grand opening party.
We're not just a med spa, but we're also a wellness center. So we specialize in bioidentical hormone replacement, stem cell therapy, cool sculpting, injectables, various laser treatments.
And now we have a book that you wrote. What's the title and when did it come out?
It's called Trifecta of Health, and just arrived here in Boca Raton yesterday, actually. So we're excited. We've been working on it for 2 years. It kind of brings in the whole combination, the trifecta, all three, which is nutrition, hormones, as well as exercise.
Really especially great to be here for the opening of this new center. I've been a client and an endorsee of the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation in LA. So it's so great that these guys who have like such cutting edge techniques are being able to go all over the country and bring their magic everywhere.
We work on the inside out. So we're dealing with hormone replacement, dealing with those issues like thyroid, living on adrenaline, low testosterone, estrogen, progesterone imbalances. So we focus on that as well as in all the aesthetic treatments and now adding stem cell therapy.
I just got a hydrofacial yesterday and I've never had that before, and that was amazing.
That is like a magical treatment. It makes you glow and it takes off all your dead skin. It's like, I highly recommend that.
I'm a huge fan of Dan Holtz and Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center in Beverly Hills, as well as Devon. They're doing some pretty incredible, innovating things there.
We do everything to make people look and feel their best. So a lot of laser treatments, hormone treatments, stem cell treatments. We do so many things to help people regenerate health and vitality. You know, it's just about anything you can think of that's going to make people look and feel better.
I love Florida. I love the warm weather.
Well, you know, we love the community down here. It's a great family community. A lot of people that are great candidates for, you know, what we do.
It's great being here at the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center.
This was certainly one amazing evening at the grand opening party of the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center.